With Napoleon's Pro Pizza Stone with Pizza Wheel, you can have perfect pizzeria pizza right off the grill, at home. Even slice the perfect pizzeria slices with the included pizza wheel cutter. The porous stone of Napoleon's Pro Pizza Stone pulls the moisture out of the dough and away from the crust, forming the perfect crispy platform for your gourmet pizza toppings. Not only for perfectly crispy crusts on your pizza, the Pro Pizza Stone can also be used to bake delicious gourmet breads and other treats like cookies. It can also be used indoors. For the best performance, preheat the Pro Pizza Stone. When you're done with the stone, allow it to cool off completely on the grill too. This will prevent cracking and has the added bonus of turning your Napoleon grill into a stone oven. Cleaning the Pro Pizza Stone is easy. Just gently wipe with warm water and a soft cloth. Do not use soap because it will flavor the stone, and scrubbing can damage it. For best results, create a barrier with cornmeal before placing your pizza crust on the stone, and then use Napoleon's Pizza Peel to remove the pizza when cooked to perfection. Save money and have better pizza at home with Napoleon's Pro Pizza Stone and Pizza Wheel, where you can make your own perfect gourmet pizza. The Napoleon Pro Pizza Stone with Pizza Wheel.